Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can exit a family or delete a family on Steam in the Steam application 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, let's assume you have created or joined a gaming family here in Steam. This is how you can leave it or delete it if you have created it. So launch Steam, log into your account, and you will need to access your Steam settings. To do that, click into Steam in the top left, select settings. And inside your Steam settings, navigate to family here. And you will see a list of all families you are a member of, for example, the ones you have created or joined. So to manage these and the access to it, click into manage your Steam family below the given family. And that is going to redirect you to the given family. Click into the manage tab here. And there are two ways, guys. If you, for example, have created the family, click into that arrow icon here and select delete family. And you may do the same if you're a member of another family, clicking to this button and you will see a leave family option here. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.